Squawk! Billy Birdbrain here. Just showing you how long this extension ladder is. Can you see it there? It says 24 feet. That's fully extended. Squawk! That's a long way. So let me walk you down here and show you what the extension looks like. There's the first one right there. And then let's go down a little farther. And here's the second one right here. Squawk, that's the second one. And here's the end. But then I've also put a longer rope on it. You can see there. The rope goes down the full length of the pole. And that makes sure that I have plenty of room to grab that rope if I have the pole saw fully extended. So it's light enough for me to lift it up, but it's also sturdy enough so I don't have to worry about the pole saw failing while I'm using it. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Squawk! All right. Another, I guess invention, if you might. This is just your regular old pole saw. You can see up there at the top, there's the saw. Right there against the tree. The problem in our yard is we have such huge trees that a regular sized pole saw doesn't even begin to get up there. So that's a limb I need to cut off because it's hanging way down here. So what I've done is I've hooked, for all intents and purposes, two saws together. That's what this business here in the middle is an attempt to, make this thing so that it'll extend out. So it'll both extend from that end way up there, and it'll also extend from right here. So I may have to get full extension to get up to that limb. And when I do that, it's like being a circus performer trying to balance this giant pole. But once I get it, then I can get it up on that limb. Some of you might say, well, why don't you just get on a ladder? Well, my extension ladder isn't even that tall. I don't think it'll go up that high. So this is kind of my only approach. Anyhow, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, there it is, extended, not fully, but it's out sort of double, so I'm going to show you. This one is extended. You can see that kind of chrome looking part there. There's the joint that I made. If we go up, this one, the white part, all the way up to the saw, which is up there. I don't know if you can see it in the tree. So both, where did it go? No, I can't see it. There it is. Okay. Both this one and this one are extended now, and you can see I can get up to that limb. This also makes my better half happier because I don't get up on ladders and stuff. It is hard work, and that pole is definitely heavier than a normal pole saw, but it is worth it when I'm trying to get up to those tall limbs. So let's see what I can do with this one. Well, there it is, down. Now up there it looked like a pretty small branch, but here you can see, use my hand as a gauge. You can see how big that is. It's what, a good, 2 inches in diameter? Something about that. Now the other thing is, here's my cut. And what happens in this tree at least is it splits all the way down to there, which is fine with me. Oops, get my glove out of the way. So it splits all the way down, but you know, there's quite a bit of branch here that we got to get cleaned up, but it's now down. So that is the pole saw story. It's tedious, but it gets the job done, and I'm safe on the ground. Signing out. Thanks for watching. By the way, I wanted to show you the back side of this limb. After I cut it off, you can see that it's cut there where I had the saw blade, and then it's stripped back a ways. But I got the thing off. You can see it lower down where another branch is broken off all on its own. This tree is kind of brittle, so it tends to do that. All right, signing out. And again, thanks for watching.